The loops which are going outside of my project are called back loops, and the loops are going inside my project are called front loops. To make a decrease, invisible decrease, you need to work only with the back loops. That means instead of taking the both loops of the V shape of my stitch, I will work only with the back loop like this. Now, to make a decrease, I need to make one stitch from the next 2 stitches I have in my project. So from these 2 I have to make 1. This is my first one and this is my second one. 1, 2. Introduce the hook in the back loop of the second one. Then we are going to introduce it here in the back loop of the first one. You can press your project like this, roll your hook like this, so it will be easier to introduce it in the first stitch. You will have this, then make a single crochet, and this is our invisible decrease, and from outside you can't notice the difference. Now this is how it looks making decreases in a real project. As you can see, it's easy even if the stitches are small. I am taking the back loop of the second stitch, then the back loop of the first stitch, and then finish my decrease like this.